Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hi guys, thank you for clicking on the link. This is the video of LX70UPO. This is a superb SEL 1.4 TSI hybrid. As you can see, you've got the full LED matrix headlights at the front, as well as the chrome accent grille, which houses the front assist emergency sensor and the charging unit for the hybrid part of the vehicle. Now, optional extras on this car include a family pack, the alloy wheels and a reversing camera. As standard, you get keyless entry on all four doors, the full leather interior with a driver's electrically adjustable front seat and a manual adjustable front seat for the passenger. You also get a LED light pack included also, which runs on the doors on the dash as well. And on the rear you get the full leather seats also, which is continued, and massive amount of space for your passengers. Really nice on a long drive. You also get the roller blinds as part of the family pack. Standard on this car is the electronic tailgate. You also get the camera included also. A huge amount of room for your luggage and some cubby holes on the sides as well. Now you can operate the tailgate using the key also. Let me just take you into the interior. So this being a hybrid, it's currently on, so there's no engine noise at present. You also get the virtual cockpit, optional extra, as well as adaptive cruise control standard with automatic lights situated just on the right. Now with the virtual cockpit, you can change the way the dashboard looks. It can have loads and loads of different styles. On the radio you do get DAB, FM and AM radio, as well as Bluetooth functionality, and Android Auto and MirrorLink, as well as Apple CarPlay support. If you go to menu, you also get gesture control as well. So literally you can just swipe your hand and it will move from side to side. Navigation is the standard. And you can also control the air conditioning as well from the screen. Now down here you've got dual climate control as well as heated seats. And this being superb, you get various cubby holes in the vehicle. This one actually comes with the new USB-C connector, which is a faster way to charge your phone as well. You also get a standard USB there. Now on the Superb you get two cold units, which is the glove box and the center armrest here, so you can keep snacks in them, drinks, and it'll keep cool because it's kind of like a mini fridge. As I said before, front rear sensors and camera. So thank you very much for looking at this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you need to know any more information, please give us a call on 0208 686 8844. Many thanks. Take care.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.